Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust pen settings on your Wacom One 14. So first of all, connect your Wacom tablet to your PC and then open the Wacom Center. The Wacom Center is the official software that either gets downloaded automatically when you first connect your device to the computer, or you can also download it from the internet. We have a separate video on how to do that exactly. Now, in order to change your pen settings, go to the pen menu on the sidebar, and here you can change the shortcuts for your pen, assigning a different shortcut to each button or the name of your Wacom pen. So you have many different actions on the sidebar right here that you can assign to each button just by selecting the action. And you can also change the tip sensitivity from 0 to 6 by moving the slider. The default value is 3. Here you have the test area where you can test your Wacom pen, but it would make more sense once you go to advanced. Now in advanced settings you can change the double tap distance for your pen, and you can also change the pen button mode from hover click to click and tap, and you can enable or disable the Windows ink by switching this toggle on. You can also change tip to cursor alignment by changing the horizontal offset. You have to provide the value in pixels here, and the vertical offset in the very same way. Or you can do it graphically by adjusting this circle somewhere on the graph. And to apply these settings, click apply. To reset, click reset. If you want to restore default settings for your pen, click default right here. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.